Come on, man. What the hell? This don't look like Mopar. Derman? Dude, man, you got me a Derman part.
Which means it's good.
That don't mean nothing. I want a Mopar.
Top of the line.
It's got the 2 O-rings on it.
Can't beat a Derman.
No, you can't beat a Derman. With Mopar, you can beat a Derman. Damn, man. Shit better not let me down, Derman. That's all I know. Guys, it's for, you know the junkyard transmission I'm putting in that nag one on that Charger? Yeah, the cup plug is destroyed, so I need to, but they got me a damn, oh my God. Yeah, so I got the damn transmission in, but like I say, the cup plug. Now these things, guys, remember this transmission is old. These things used to come in leaking. The seals or the O-rings surrounding this connector would always leak, and we end up having to replace this whole thing. No big deal at all, guys. Inside of here, let me see if I can. Yeah, y'all see that? Make sure you use a 1/4 inch 7mm. No air ratchets, no air tubes at all. That bolt is sensitive and attached to the plate, the electrical plate. Remember, this vehicle or this transmission have no external speed sensors. Okay, this is everything electronically related to this transmission runs through here. There's no speed sensor. Everything is on the plate. Okay, the electronic plate. Damn, it's a proper name to that. I can't think of it, but yeah, everything is. You can see you don't see no sensors hanging out nowhere. All right, and then, like I say, this transmission been out a while. So let me get this damn Derman of all parts. Get this Derman put in here, and I gotta get this transmission done, guys. Let's get it. So there should be an O-ring right here and an O-ring right here. I don't see this O-ring, so that means it must be still in the transmission. You know what? We got to go fishing for that, guys. That's similar to double sealing a oil filter. Yeah, you don't want to do that. You could cause some problems. But here's my new one. As you can see, I got both O-rings and I got an extra O-ring. I wonder what this one's for. Who in here familiar with Derman? Okay, Derman crap. Yeah, I only need 1 O-ring. I don't know why they got 2 in there. So we got to go fishing for this old. I feel it. Ta-da! There you go. Now, what I'm gonna do is I don't want to really put this in dry. O-rings don't never need to go in dry. So I'm gonna put some little lube around here. Now guys, you got to be extremely careful installing this damn thing. All right, as you can see, they go in a funky way, so you got to use your common sense. If you're working on cars, surely you already equipped with common sense. All right, take a look inside. All right, look real good at that, and look at the part you're about to install it. If you need to eyeball it at the same time, do whatever you got to do. But we got to get this in and stay out right. The indentation should help you. Okay, I think the turning part has to be downward. So let's place it. Yeah, I can feel the detent kick in. At that point, just push it in. Yeah, see that? So once you push that in, turn it. Now we got to get that 7mm. There's a spec, but you just give it a good snug. It's only 7mm, guys. Don't go crazy. All right, let me snug it down pretty good. All right, I got that snug down pretty good. So now what you do is put the connector in here. Again, there's an indentation somewhere. Yeah, I felt it. You gotta find it. Now all you do is turn upward. That will pull the connector all the way in and make contact with the pin. See how that's going in? I'm not done. You're gonna feel another indentation when you're done. There you go. Heard that? And there you have it. So now we should have no leaks and a good contact. All right, guys, I'm almost done. All I gotta do is put the support bracket right here, put the cooler lines in, and fill it up, go test drive. All right, that's all I have, man. I gotta go. Thanks for watching.